Guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm here in skate park, Rim Island. The kids playing scooter in the skate park. See, see the skate park. Oh. Here is the skate park, Rim Island. So many kids playing bike, skateboard, and scooter. It's hot outside. Here, on top of this is the bridge of Rim Island. Connected to Rim Island, connected to Abu Dhabi Mall, I think.